from India, and he spoke very fast, and he spoke very lengthy. So people, I give you 5 minutes. He said, okay, I'll double my speed. Because actually I was overwhelmed by what you have presented. I didn't know anything about it. You kept it completely secret. So I'm confident you can keep all confidential information. But I do have prepared something. So it's not 10 pages, so don't worry. I practiced before and it will take maybe 4 minutes. Because I don't know whether I can speak normally if I don't have anything prepared. So it's time for me to say goodbye to you all and to wish you all the best with WHO and with yourself and your loved ones. Your health and happiness are as important, if not more, than the work at WHO. Work-life balance is one of the values that we all share and that I encourage you all to live by. Remember, you work for WHO, where the H is the most important letter, and H stands for health. It is also an opportunity for me, if you allowed me, to pay tribute to all and each of you for the hard work, the dedication, and the positive spirit you have demonstrated to make GSC what it is today. When I say GSC, I of course include GSD and ITT staff. A Chinese proverb says, in 10,000 things, it is the beginning that is difficult. GSC has had a difficult beginning for many reasons. The GSM, our vehicle for delivering our services, was not working and was more than often mistaken as the GSC. We were all new to this environment and to the WHO administrative labyrinth of rules and regulations. We were all facing demanding customers who wanted nothing less than what they used to have at HQ, a next-door service center, and not something 10,000 miles away, and in the country, some of them may not even know how to show on a world map. That was the beginning. 3 years or so down the line, many things have changed. The GSM has become more stable, although still far from perfect. And we all have learned a great deal about WHO and about our customers. Our services have expanded and are now well appreciated. We are ready to take on Afro. This would not have been possible without your contributions and your resilience. Yes, your resilience. That is admirable, because despite all difficulties and challenges, the GSC staff have moved on steadily and continue to provide the services expected of them and continuously improve on them every day. I'm convinced that WHO has made a good strategic choice to establish a global service center, initially to process transactions, but as I can see during the last 3 years, WHO would gain more by turning this center into a global administrative center. This would not only allow the organization to streamline and standardize administrative services across the organization, but also to achieve much needed cost savings and increase efficiency. Last but not least, allow me to have my last words for GPL. I could not dream of a better team who has worked alongside with me through tough and rough times, but who has always kept up the good spirit, the teamwork, and the friendship. I owe you all that we have managed to achieve together. It's indeed a dream team that I'm going to miss sorely. Thank you to you all. Goodbye and God bless.